Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a snow squall warning for Portage County in northeastern Ohio, Stark County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Hudson to near Wadsworth, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This snow squall will impact motorists traveling on Interstate 76, 77, and 80. Locations impacted include Akron, Kenton, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Massillon, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Solon, Alliance, Hudson, Twinsburg, Talmadge, North Kenton, Streetsboro, Macedonia, Louisville, Orville, Redmond, and Mogador. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.